5 seconds. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly on the budget, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you for the opportunity given to me to speak on the budget. There is no doubt that, on the whole, the budget that has been presented is a satisfactory one. We are all glad that there are no new taxes and there are many good schemes in it. But at the same time, there are a few things which I would like to point out. So far as agriculture is concerned, it is proposed to increase the production potential of food grains. It is a welcome proposal in the same way. I welcome the proposal to increase the capacity for storage of food grains in agriculture. If we do not make some efforts to produce more, we will not be able to get proper returns after producing food grains if we are not able to store them properly. There will be destruction and there will be a great loss for the farmers. In view of this, we are happy about the proposal to construct godowns for marketing societies. I thank the government for doing such things. Secondly, so far as the forest lands are concerned, an amount has been allotted for construction of roads in forests and another amount for construction of quarters in forest areas. On the one hand, it is a good proposal, but on the other hand, I think that if we construct houses inside the forests, there will be reduction in the forest area and there will be a loss of forest wealth. If we allow our people to live inside the forests, it will result in reduction of forests in one direction. We are taking steps to grow forests in some places. In another direction, the government are trying to reduce the forest area by allowing construction of houses inside the forests. I think it is not a good step to build houses inside the forest areas. So I appeal to the government to drop the proposal. The forest officials may be given residences elsewhere outside the forest areas. Thirdly, as far as electricity is concerned, there are very many good schemes. In this connection, I would like to say that they should be properly implemented. Very many things were announced in the last year's budget, but I am sorry to say that some of them have not been so far implemented. When we see the good schemes, we are very much satisfied, but at the end of the year, some of them remain where they were and they are not implemented. It should not be so. So far as power consumption is concerned, I am glad that the government are doing their best. But at the same time, I have no doubt that there are ways and means to improve the condition. In this connection, I would like to point out that the transmission loss should be reduced further. At the present time, about 20% of the power produced is lost in transmission. It is really a big loss and it should be reduced as much as possible. Side by side, the government should also try to find out alternative sources of power. I have been saying this for the last 2 years and even now I am repeating it. Fourthly, as regards industries, we find that many industries are at present going from our state to other states. I would like to point out that it is the case in the matter of the leather industry. Previously, our state produced more than 75% of the leather that was exported. But now we are surprised to find that some other states are having big leather industries and our state has gone backward. On this occasion, I request the government to mitigate the difficulties of those who have invested in this industry. There are many ways in which we can increase the capacity for the export of leather and leather goods. The difficulty is that the leather manufacturers are not able to get good quality locks and other things. I would like to suggest that the government may import these tools and supply them to the manufacturers. So if the government do so, the manufacturers can supply the export orders and help earning of foreign exchange. They will also be able to provide jobs for many people. I would like the government to encourage this industry. a large number of the people may get jobs in this industry.